Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is about fractions. A fraction represents a part of a whole. We use fractions when something is divided into equal parts. For example, if I divide a whole pizza into 5 equal parts, if 2 parts are taken, then the fraction is 2 by 5. If 3 parts are taken, the fraction is 3 by 5, and so on. The parts of a fraction. Every fraction has 2 parts, numerator and denominator. The top number is called numerator, which represents the number of parts. The bottom number is called denominator, which represents the total number of equal parts. And also we have a fraction bar which separates numerator and denominator. Example: if a circle is divided into 8 equal parts and 3 parts are shaded, the fraction is 3 by 8. Now let us learn about types of fractions. 3 main types of fractions are proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fraction. In proper fraction, numerator is smaller than the denominator. For example, in 1 by 2, 1 is smaller than 2. In improper fraction, numerator is greater than or equal to denominator. In 3 by 2, 3 is greater than 2. A mixed fraction has a whole number and a proper fraction together. For example, 1 by 2. In this, 1 is the whole number, 1 by 2 is the proper fraction. Here is some fractions. Write your answers in comment section. See you all in next video. Happy learning. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.